With 3.6 million Instagram followers and more than 5 million YouTube subscribers, it's probably safe to say that Mikhail Varshavsky, a primary care physician at Chatham Family Medicine, better known as Dr. Mike, is the internet's favorite healthcare professional. In this episode of Food Diaries, Dr. Mike gives us the rundown on all the meals and snacks that sustain him throughout the day, from grabbing Chipotle during his lunch break while working at the hospital, to detecting the healthiest options at fast food joints. For lunch, Varshavsky usually grabs a salad bowl from the beloved Mexican grill. "I think I can really control what goes into my portions," he says. "I love the ingredients that they use." In his to-go salad bowl, he adds brown rice, greens, and double the meat. "I usually get chicken or steak, but maybe a mix of the two," he elaborates. "But double the meat because I need that protein." Then he tops his dish with mild salsa, a sprinkle of cheese, and a dollop of guacamole. That's according to Harper's Bazaar. "I try and chow it down slowly because I like it so much," he continues. "I could eat a bowl in 30 seconds, and it's not good to eat that fast."
I like it so much I can finish a bowl in like 30 seconds, and it's not good to eat that fast. So I actively have to calm myself down and say, okay, eat slowly, eat slowly. And the way that I sort of manage to do that is by having a water bottle with me, and I just sip on that water bottle in between my bites, therefore kind of calms me down.
Dr. Mike also explains how he identifies the healthiest options while ordering from fast food spots. "I still am able to figure out, like a detective, what can be healthy," he says. "So I look for things that have a lot of vegetables in them, green leafy vegetables, and tomatoes. Then I get a protein source in there, whether that's chicken, beef, or even a vegan option. And then if I'm gonna have a carb, I make sure it's a complex carb. Brown rice, whole wheat bread, all those are better options." So there you go, folks. For fitness and health, I also recommend a supplement like Thynergy. Let's hear more about Thynergy and hear another great success story.
Hey, my name's Leah. I'm checking in with Thynergy. I've been on it for 4 months now, and I am continuously still losing weight. I have a lot more energy. My dog's super happy because he gets to go on a lot more walks, and we actually did a 8-mile hike last weekend, which was a lot of fun.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thynergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Thynergy, you guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Thynergy.
Thynergy.
To all the crew at Thynergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.
I highly recommend Thynergy. I think you should give it a shot.